These are the Dispatch lenses, and I will be showing you how to remove and install the lens. In order to remove, you're going to pull the top part of the frame up while you push the lens out. You're going to do the same with the other side. Now the lens have successfully been removed. Now to install the lens, you're going to put the back part of the lens to the back part of the frame. You are going to put the lens into the groove and lift from the middle of the lens, and they should easily go in. And then you're going to push in and you should hear a click. You're going to do the same with the other side. So once again, you're going to put the back side of the lens to the back side of the frame. You're going to put the lens into the groove, push up in the middle so the corner goes in, and easily push the rest of the frame in. Now they have successfully been installed.